Do you want to know that how easy and simple and enjoyable could it be to earn money online? If you want to know it and learn it, just stay tuned with me and watch this video. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Miss Wolf channel and I put so many videos about how you can earn money online, so many tips and tricks that show you how you can make money online even at your home. And today you're gonna see that how you can make money by just watching TV or watching YouTube channel or even watching and learning something and earn money in extra. Okay, don't waste the time, and if you like my video, please subscribe the channel and hit the notification button to be notified about my new videos. And if you like it, give me a big like and share it with your friends and support my channel. Okay, let's see that how we can make money even with watching TV. That's really amazing, and it's the super fast way and easiest way that you can enjoy making money. Now look at my screen. That as you can see, the site name is superpay.me. It has really fast payment. Within 24 hours you will receive your money in your wallet. There are so many ways that you can receive your money. I will tell in the continues of this video. You can work from home, you can get promo code and cash contents, you can do the free survey and offers. You will get 20 cents by joining this site, and you can even use referral program to earn money. As you can see here, it has paid over $4 million. That is really amazing. And as you can see here, you can give your cash in your PayPal account, or even you can give gift cards from Tango, Amazon, or give your cash from Skrill or Bitcoin. As you can see here, it's totally free and you can join free to this site. That is really easy to join, and it will take less than 2 minutes to join to this site, and you will give about 20 cents as a bonus of joining to this site. You can take part in doing survey and offers, and you can make money by doing so many simple surveys. And as you can see, there is hundreds of new survey every day on this site, and it's unlimited to earn money from this site. And as you can see here, you can earn money by watching videos that is really enjoyable, or even you can learn something from these videos extra, giving some money, making some money, and you can completing pay offers. As you can see here, it has really fast payment. You can see here that they paid about 90% of payment within 8 hours. Or you can use gift card for Amazon, Starbucks, Nike, or more extra gift card that they have. If you have any question after my video, you can see this video that really can help you to earn money more and more. Let's see the proof of payment. That is really amazing. You can see the date of payment and the payment method that most of person use PayPal or Skrill, and you can see the amount of payments. As you can see here, we have good payment amount payment here, more than about almost $30, or as you can see here, $10 a day. Let's see some reviews about this site. It has more than 1,000 reviews here, and the rating is 4.80. That is good rating, and it shows that 97% of reviewers are happy with this site. And as you can see here, these are some reviews that is from 1 week ago, 2 weeks ago, as you can see here, and they earned money from this site. Okay, now let's start that how we can start with this amazing site, this super site, as it names superpay.me. For joining to this site for free, just click on join for free button here, and after that you will see the form here that you really simply can fill out this form. Write your first name here and your last name here, your email address, and repeat your email address again. Choose a username for yourself. Create a strong password that could be combination of letter and numbers. You should fill your address. It can be just the name of your city. Just fill all this form and then select your city. enter your postal code, and as you can see here, it's based on your IP address. Your country will be selected here automatically. You should select one of the payment methods. For example, if you want to get your payment in your PayPal, you should put your PayPal email here or any of them that you want. I prefer Bitcoin address, so I paste my Bitcoin address here. And just paste your Bitcoin address here. Click on this button that show that you are older than 18 years old. Then this button that show that you are agree to their privacy policy, and here that show that you are agree with term and conditions, and then I'm not a robot, and create account. They will send you an email that you should verify your email address. Just go to your Gmail and click on a button that is here. In this way you confirm your email address, and here is your dashboard that show that your account is active here and you can earn money now. Okay, as you can see here, there are so many survey here that you can do it. And another way that you can earn money from that is Referral. If you want to just by watching videos earn money, just click on engaging videos that is here. There are some videos, and if you want, you can choose the topic of the video that you want to watch, and you can choose which video do you want to watch, and just click on start earning. As you can see here, there are unlimited videos here that you can start any of them that you want. You can choose the topic of any video that you want. It's really easy, and as you can see here, best life, fix it, gaming, adventure, movie, TikTok, laughs, any video that you want you can see here, and you can earn money as easy that is. The other way that you can earn money is Referral that you can see here. There is offer through. On this page you can choose if you want to have a mobile app, desktop, survey, quick, any of them that you want. You can choose the category, or you can do all of them if you want. You can get good points of them, and they are unlimited. You can do it as many as you want. Even if you do it for 1 hour a day, you will get good points and you can receive it in your wallet. There is so many survey here that you can do any of them that you like. For doing this survey, you should answer to some question, for example your gender, your birthday, and your zip code, and it will choose the best survey for you based on your answers. After doing these jobs, go to your home page, and you can see that how much did you earn from this site. You can see your referrals button, and you can see your points and how much you can cash out. You can see in your history that how much did you earn. As you can see, I get bonus for a sign up here, and they are today's top paying offers here that you can find them. And as you can see the amount of the payment here. There are other survey here that you can see that they are latest survey from this site, and it takes you just about 12 minutes and you can earn $5. That is really amazing. There is no other special thing about this site. As you can see that it's really fast, easy, and enjoyable to earn money. If you want to invite your friends to this site and earn money from their earning, just share this link to them, and as you can see that you get 25% of their earning. You can share your referral link in your social media like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and you can email it to your friend or family, or you can share it in your chat. If you want, you can use these banners on your site and get referral by these banners. There is no other thing. I wish you the luck, and I hope it would be really enjoyable for you and you can earn money from this site. If you like this video, give me a like and comment below if you have any question. I try to answer them and help you to earn money as much as you can. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and support my channel. Hit the notification button if you like it and you want to know about the new videos. Good luck and see you in next video.